Thank you, Direk. Naku, si Jody pala may pelikula with Direk Bomba. Kaya pala nandito to. CSC, Ma'am Chara Santos Concho, with her Irene. Tita Malu!
Picture. Mamalu. Tita Malu. Picture lang po. Ayun na.
Yan, ganyan.
Okay, 1, 2.
Nasa red carpet ngayon, Miss Chara Santos Concho with Direct Irene, Tita Malu, and Sir Enrico Santos. Ayan, manonood na sila, pasok na sila sa loob. Wait, photo muna, Alisa and Alora. Saan ka naghahanap mo? Hanapin mo ako. Oh, ayan. One photo lang sa gitna, please. Pwede na mag-start. Alora's here na eh. Alright, enjoy the movie. Maraming salamat. Thanks for coming. Bobka, as a sweet girl. Thanks, Loisa. Maraming salamat. Regal Davies, Mix Cuaderno. Next naman on our red carpet, another Regal baby, Mika Reigns. Some of our biggest stars today are, started out as Regal babies. So, ayan. Si Mick saka si Mika, two of Regal babies. Alam na alam yan ni Natalie Tomada, Philippine Star.
Hula-hula lang ito.
Ayan, making his way dito sa ating red carpet, Kapuso actor Rob Gomez. Everyone is arriving at this ating red carpet. MJ Lastimosa is here sa ating red carpet. Siya po ang kumanta ng theme song na ng My Future, yung Eliza Maturan is here. Museo, Eliza, right? Tama, I remember.
Pero may nakalagay naman siguro ng video. So hindi na nasunod.
Again, we are having the celebrity world premiere of Untold dito po sa Cinema 3 ng SNL Mall. Happening right now is the red carpet. Celebrities are arriving, showing support. Ito po sa biggest horror movie event ng 2025. At it's sa ating ng Regal Entertainment, the home of the biggest Philippine horror movies. Alam na alam natin yan, lumaki tayo sa mga pinakamalalaking horror movies ng Regal Films. Is that Nikki Valdez? Hindi ko makita. Nikki Valdez is here sa ating red carpet, together with her hubby, of course.
Hello, kamusta?
trabaho naman yung butuhan eh. Marami siyang mga titas na super nag-wispuhan. Wag na nga po.
Okay, we have sa red carpet ngayon ang mga talents ng Riz Marketing. Talents, sila yung mga talents from 901 Studios.
Bakit kinikilig ka?
Yung mga wala namang pinaabangan, gusto nang pumasok sa loob, pwede na po. Now on the red carpet, ang P-pop group named Aster. I just finished my interview with the president of Regal Entertainment, Ms. Rosel Monteverde, at in-announce ni Ms. Rosel, starting tomorrow, day 1 pa lang, for students. May Bautista is right here sa ating red carpet.
May. Okay. Isa pa. One more, May. May, another one, May. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Our friends from Star Cinema are here. Hinahanap nyo. Kung pumasok sa loob ng Cinema 3, you can do so. Alright, on the red carpet right now is TJ Valderrama.
Dali na iko-quote ka lang eh. Ganun na pa.
Malalaman mo kung sino ang pinost mo. Oski, 2025.
Please welcome ang pusang si Kitty Marie! Bakit eh? What's with the cat? carpet for a movie. Grabe. Ito naman, naabangan din natin sa pelikulang ito ang performances ng two of the young and talented actresses we have today. Let's call it first, Lian Valentin. Alright, let's make way for Lian. Here's stage. Also joining us tonight is Sarah Edwards. Alright, let's make way for Sarah Edwards. Here's the stage. Produkto siya ng Pinoy Big Brother at isa sa mga talagang napakadaming supporters. At makikita natin ang galing niya dito sa Untold. Please welcome Kauri Oinuma! Making her way sa ating red carpet, part of the cast, Kauri Oinuma. Alright, let's give way for Kauri into the stage. Again, we have Kauri Oinuma. Next, our forever OG Miss Universe. Miss Universe na, Best Actress pa, please welcome the one and only Gloria Diaz. the red carpet, the Executive Vice President of Regal Entertainment, Mr. Keith Monteverde. Siyempre, di makakompleto ang ating premiere without the director. Please welcome the award-winning director, Derek Abrigo. And joining Derek is our lead star, Asia's Best Actress. Please welcome the one and only Jody Santa Maria. Before natin sila kunin ng messages, photo muna, one group photo first. One group photo first with the whole cast. Alright, let's get their quick messages. Let's start with Joy. We have a microphone over there. Joy, please greet everybody.
Ayan, good evening sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta at sa pag-suporta sa aming pelikula ng Untold. At para sa lahat po, ayun, hip-hop muna tayo bago tayo manood.
Ano?
Hip-hop muna tayo bago manood.
Diyos ko. Panginoon. Part ng sino? Hindi na bahala ka ng very... Okay. Kalma lang. Keith Monteverde!
Yes, thank you. Thank you, everybody. I hope all of you can come watch Untold, especially all the students. Happy to announce that it will be discounted to 250 pesos for all students.
Starting day 1 yan, ha? Keith, di ba? Day 1
Yeah, starting day 1.
What great news. Kauri, please greet everybody!
Kami po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa paglaan niyo ng oras makarating dito. And tomorrow po mag-i-start na Worldwide Cinemas ang Untold. So sana po, supportahan niyo kami lahat.
Thank you, Kao. Lian, please greet everybody.
Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for being here. Super happy kami na nandito kayong lahat. And please, thank you sa suporta niyo sa Untold. Please panoorin niyo to bukas na, April 30. And sana mag-enjoy kayo sa aming film dahil talagang masisindak kayo dito sa film namin.
Thank you, Lian. Our OG Miss Universe!
Thank you all of you for coming, and I hope you will all be scared to death.
Grabe naman, Tita Glo. Our director, Derek!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa aming premiere night. And yun po, sana po supportan niyo po ang Untold. Starting na po tomorrow, showing sa lahat po ng cinema station-wide.
Before I ask Jody for her message, in fairness to the cat, is very behaved. Diba? Kitty Marie is very behaved at meron siyang mahalagang role sa pelikulang ito. And now, let's hear it from the best actress, Asia's Best Actress, Jody Santa Maria.
First and foremost, I would like to say thank you. I love you too. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving us your time. And ayun, hindi ko na pahahabain pa. Nangihingi na ng hustisya si Kitty Marie. So ano pang iniintay natin? Panoorin na natin ang
On that note, let's proceed Cinema 3. Maraming salamat, Jody and to our cast. Maraming salamat. Let's now proceed. Let's make way for Cinema 3. Let's go. Yung pusa, we'll have our, wait. We'll have our, ito, ating, go. Assistant natin si Kitty Marie. Baka magwala. Alright, let's invite our team. Also joining us, Pauli Oinuma. Let's call it now the one and only Miss Gloria Diaz. Also with us tonight, Joey Pascon. The Executive Vice President of Regal Entertainment, Keith Monteverde. Award-winning director, Derek Cabrido. And the Asia's Best Actress, the one and only, Jody Santa Maria. Okay, quick photo op sa lahat ng mga gusto kumuha ng photos for their social media uploads, especially our friends from the press for your real-time posts. Maraming salamat. Okay, Jody Ditaglo, one photo please, one photo at the center, photo lang. Yeah, there you go. Alam ko, excited na rin kayo nakapanood to. Jody, just one final message to all our guests who came here tonight.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na nagpunta ngayong gabi para sa premiere ng pelikulang Untold. Maraming salamat sa aming mga kapamilya, mga kaibigan, aming mga colleagues. Thank you so much sa pagpunta at sa pagsuporta. Tonight, makakala tayo ng isang magandang pelikula. And I think, pelikula mo to. I'm just kidding. People rarely do crazy things simply for the sake of being crazy. Paminsan po, they convince themselves that what they're doing is noble, it's necessary, and it's justified. And sometimes, the most dangerous thing is that it hides behind the guise of good intentions. And I do hope tonight, you leave this theater not only entertained but also in deep reflection of its message. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the movie.
Thank you, Joey Santa Maria. Alright, let's assist the cast to proceed sa kanilang mga seats. Tara, ganun. Okay, habang mapunta ang ating cast sa kanilang mga seats, do you still have your masks? Di ba yan yung naging invitation for tonight? Okay, meron na tayong Vivian Vera Challenge.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na matatagalin ang yung dito. Special mention sa President for the SM Malls President, Sir Steven Tan. Thank you for pagsama sa amin na manood ng Untold. Tomorrow is the big day. In more than 200 cinemas po ipalalabas ang Untold. Regal Films is so back in producing quality horror movies, but again, special mention, Tita Cory Vidanes, thank you so much, si Bibi. I saw her, she ba? Andyan pa? Wow. Direct Lauren Diogi, thank you so much. Ma'am Charo, thank you, of course. Tita Malu Santos, thank you. Miss Kylie Manalo Malagtas, thank you so much. Chris Gasman, thank you. Of course, our friends in media and friends from our partners, Jimmy Pictures. Miss Nessa Valdelion, she is the Senior Vice President ng Jimmy Public Affairs and EVP ng Jimmy Pictures. Miss Jane Basas, she is the President and CEO of MediaQuest TV5. Of course, Nico Galvez, the Vice President of Signal. Idea First, Percy Intalan, the President of Idea First Company. Creation, thank you. Rain Entertainment, thank you. Dreamscape Entertainment, maraming salamat. Viva One, Ron Arguelles, I saw you, thank you. 901 Studios and Riz Marketing. Star Magic and Rise Family, Miss Chini Ching. Nico Del Rosario, thank you. And of course, Beats Play, Netflix, Unstable Records, the Filipino channel, Mike Tolentino, Universal Music Group, our colleges, mga estudyante pa from PLM, Pamantasan ng Luzon, Manila. Kayo pala yun. Thank you Universidad de Manila, ICCT, De La Salle University, Iris, and of course, Siena College. Thank you so much, everyone. Please support in your social media. Please support Untold. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nakating. I saw Richie Rivera sa dyan sa labas. Thank you. And our friends from the media. Direct Eric Salud, thank you. Who else? Oh my God, ang dami ka na miss out. John Lee, thank you. Who else? Wow, ang dami. We're full pack tonight. Senior Bernard Cloma. Hi, Bernard IBC. Wow. Unbelievable show and support tonight. Thank you so much. Ang dami. Media friends, thank you. Ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan. Miss Kylie, thank you. Sir Rondelin Dayan, thank you. Miss Carl de la Merced. Wow. Ang Dreamscape family. Joel Mercado. Who else? Who's that guy na guwapo? Nathan, Arshaka, thank you. Oh, wow. Direct Elvin Villamor, salamat kay Dapper, thank you. The industry, the whole industry, naman supporting Jody, Regal Entertainment, and of course, Steven Eric. Let's request everyone, you may now locate the cinema to give way for the new catch of manonood ng second screening ng Untold. Charing na SM Cinemas, thank you for being such a gracious partner sa ating mga premiere. Thank you, SM Cinemas. Thank you. Our media friends, ayan, dito sila sa baba. You know, sinuhanapin niyo paglabas si Louie nasa gilid namin ng stage. Sir Enrico, congratulations. Job well done again. Noreen Capili, Miss Noreen. And of course, si Miss Pam Valdevieso, ang ating producer. Si Miss Pam, thank you. And I should be, gusto ko na magpasalamat sa mga sponsors natin. Our Cebu sponsors, Cebu, Joyful Weddings, Philippine Access Sales Network, JT Car Rental, and for today's sponsors, Big Top PH for our photo mirror booth, and 360 Screen Booth. Ayan, nasa labas, exciting. Ano po niyo yan, enjoy niyo yung sa mamaya sa labas. And of course, Olena, Scout Radius branch. Olena, dito siya sa Miss Olena. Thank you so much, Miss Olena of Scott Radius. And of course, SM Mega Mall. Direk Shugo, thank you, and your Rain Entertainment family, Direk Philip King. My ABS-CBN family and Dave Kulancham. Ivan, good job. Joshua, Mela Cueto, everyone's, wow. Yung mga estudyante po, let me just share kung gaano kayo appreciate things sa Selling Rebelde. Ang saya-saya niya seeing all of you today. Sir Keith, sabi niya, let's, gusto niyang iparating ang pasasalamat sa mga estudyante na first invitation pa lang, hindi kayo humindi. Thank you so much. Alam naman na it's almost vacation time for most of you, but you're here to support. Thank you. Kita yan, pinarating ko na pasasalamat sa mga students natin and Miss Rosel. Of course, Miss Leia Calmerin, Miss You, love you. Chris Gas, Malu, I love you.
Yung nagbigay ng place. Brace ka.
Make sure na Loisa, thank you. Sobra, thank you. And of course, Nadia, Lisa Muna, ayan, Juan Carlos fans. Kahit wala siya. He is represented by his followers. Thank you.
Ayaw mo lumabas ako lalabas.
Gracias!
Pinoy support.
Direk Terry, congratulations! Siyempre, good job! I know everyone was really happy. I was really not talagang sa tax from them. Direk Canera! Sobrang ganda na pinakita yung support na kayo. Maraming salamat. Joanne!
Jody! Love you, Ate Jody. Congrats! I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Besos, Pearly. Love you, Ate. Love you, Ate. Thank you.